Iceland, land of glaciers and geysers, volcanoes and Vikings, and peace. Lots and lots of peace. Since 1944, Iceland has proudly stood as a nation without a military. No army, no navy, no air force, just the breathtaking beauty of the northern lights and the unwavering belief in peaceful resolution. It's in our DNA. For decades, Iceland has been a beacon of peace in a world often consumed by conflict. We've mediated disputes, championed human rights, and advocated for diplomacy at every turn. We've sent peacekeepers to conflict zones around the globe, unarmed and unafraid, to stand as a testament to the power of dialogue and understanding. Our history is one of pacifism, a commitment to resolving conflict without resorting to violence. But recently, something changed. The year is 2025, and the world watches as a war unfolds in Ukraine. A war we can't ignore. Iceland finds itself at a crossroads, grappling with a decision that challenges our very identity, sending specialists to aid Ukraine. Foreign Minister Þorgerður Katrín Gunnarsdóttir assures us that this is not a departure from our peaceful principles. These specialists, she explains, are not soldiers in the traditional sense. They are highly trained professionals, police, Coast Guard, experts in de-escalation, sent to provide support, not engage in combat. They will help maintain order, protect civilians, and train Ukrainian forces in peacekeeping tactics. Their mission, she emphasizes, is one of peace, not war. But the line between support and engagement is a blurry one. These specialists, while not deployed as soldiers, are trained in tactical response. They carry weapons for self-defense. By sending these specialists, even with the best of intentions, are we not, in some way, becoming entangled in a conflict we claim to oppose? The dilemma we face is not unique to Iceland. It's a question that has plagued philosophers and policymakers for centuries. Can we fight for peace? Is it ever justifiable to use force, even in the name of a greater good? Some argue that our commitment to peace should never come at the expense of another's freedom, that to stand idly by while innocent lives are lost is not peace, but complicity. They believe that supporting Ukraine, even through non-combat means, is a moral imperative. Others, however, fear that we are venturing down a slippery slope, that by involving ourselves in this conflict, even indirectly, we risk compromising our neutrality, our moral authority as peacemakers. They urge us to stay true to our principles, to be the voice of reason in a world consumed by conflict. So here we stand, a nation at a crossroads, wrestling with our conscience and our identity. Are we still the peacekeepers of the North, the champions of diplomacy and understanding? Or have we become, however reluctantly, participants in a conflict that seems to contradict our very being? One thing is certain, this decision will have profound and lasting implications for Iceland. It will shape our foreign policy, our national identity, and our place in the world for years to come. The path ahead is uncertain, the stakes are high, and the choices we make today will determine who we are tomorrow.